This is the difference between a healthy pancreas and a pancreas affected by type 2 diabetes. Imagine your body as a big city. Now to run the city, you require fuel, which is your glucose, your sugar. In order to transport this fuel to your cell, you require a very special kind of truck called insulin. This insulin is produced in the factory called pancreas. Now there are two problems when you're type 2 diabetic. Number one, you are insulin resistant. That means these trucks have to go inside your cells, but your cells are not receptive to these trucks, to this insulin. And that is where your blood sugar level increases on the street. The second problem is pancreatic overwork. Your pancreas keep creating more and more of these trucks so that they can transport the glucose to your cells. But since your cells are not receptive, more and more insulin is generated. Over time, your pancreas will lose its ability to produce insulin. When you're type 2 diabetic, over time, it can impact many of your major organs. Your heart, your kidneys, your eyes, your nerves, your legs. If you want to know more about how we help people reverse their type 2 diabetes,
what I can tell you is don't have lassi as it is. Have something before having a lassi. Have maybe cashews, almonds, आप थोड़े से nuts खा लीजिए, उसके बाद लस्सी को खाइए, तो पीजिए, तो लस्सी का जो impact है वो कम हो जाएगा. That is a generic suggestion I can give you, but to understand if lassi is good for you or not, you have to test it on your body. Great. So a lot of people are writing HbA1c 9.8, Somi ma'am is saying 11. Okay. Naresh sir is saying 7. Avinash Jain sir is saying 20. Jan, my sugar is 233. Okay. Rajat sir is saying 6. 9.4, 9.7. Somebody is saying 10 as well. Again, if your blood sugar levels or HbA1c levels are above 7, that is going to be dangerous for your organs. Why? HbA1c is a clear sign that you're having a lot of sugar spikes. Lot of sugar spikes mean damage to your organs. That is why HbA1c is so important to understand your current body's condition. अगर HbA1c 7 के ऊपर, इसका मतलब क्या है कि organ damage already चालू हो चुका है. इसका मतलब है कि बहुत सारे spikes body में हो रहे हैं. जितने spikes होते हैं उतना HbA1c बढ़ता है. HbA1c का full form क्या है? Glycated hemoglobin. मतलब आपकी बॉडी में कितना ग्लाइकेशन हो रहा है. अब ग्लाइकेशन क्या होता है? I'll try to explain simply. जब भी आपका शुगर लेवल्स बढ़ते हैं, जब भी आपके शुगर लेवल्स बढ़ रहे हैं, when your blood sugar levels increases, the blood in your sugar sticks to your muscle and to your organs. blood क्या करता है? जो हाई ब्लड शुगर वाला ब्लड है वो आपके मसल्स पे चिपकता है और आपके ऑर्गन्स पे चिपकता है और उनको सड़ाना शुरू करता है. That is why we say high blood sugar levels are causing damage to your organs. That is why so many people who suffer from diabetes also suffer from high cholesterol, high blood pressure, diabetic neuropathy, which means you have a blurry vision. Some people suffer from fatty liver. Some people suffer from hair fall. All these are signs that your organs are struggling because of high blood sugar levels or high spikes in your blood sugar levels. On that note, let's start our session. But before that, I have a question for everyone in the chat section. See, I know you want to reverse your diabetes, but how many of you are 100% serious about it? How many of you are confident that if you're given the right guidance, you can absolutely reverse diabetes in the next 3 months? आप में से कितने लोग दिमाग में ये बिलीव करके आए हैं कि अगले 3 महीने में डायबिटीज मुझे 100% रिवर्स करना है? See, belief is very important. अगर आप believe करते हैं, I am very confident nobody can stop you from reversing your diabetes. So have that belief, and that will confidently take you through. Quickly write a yes or a reverse in the chat section. After that, we will begin our session. उसके बाद session को हम जल्दी से start करेंगे. Yes, let's quickly begin our session. See, we are going to discuss first of all a little bit about diabetes. उसके बाद थोड़ा sugar fit के बारे में भी बात करेंगे. because SugarFit has organized this session. So it's important to talk about SugarFit doctors, और उसके बाद बात diabetes reversal के process के बारे में भी. So stay connected for the next 30-40 minutes. Highly recommended for every one of you. So let's first understand what is diabetes reversal. See, every day, everyone today is talking about diabetes reversal. YouTube पे, Instagram पे, हर जगह कोई ना कोई diabetes reversal के बारे में आजकल बात कर रहा है. But होता क्या है diabetes reversal? When you bring your blood sugar levels down below 6.5 naturally, जब आपके HbA1c लेवल 6.5 के नीचे आ जाए नेचुरली, तब आप कोई मेडिसिन न ले रहे हो, कोई इंसुलिन न ले रहे हो, उसके बिना भी आपके HbA1c लेवल्स अगर 6.5 के नीचे हैं, उसको बोलते हैं a complete diabetes reversal. And I'm super confident that all of you on the call today, maybe Joseph sir, Deepak sir, Wahid sir, John sir, all of you can 100% reverse your diabetes. Why am I so confident? Because we've already helped almost 56,000 people in India reverse diabetes. 56,000 लोगों ने जो हमारी गाइडेंस है, जो स्पाइक की नॉलेज है, उसको यूज करके डायबिटीज को कंप्लीटली रिवर्स कर लिया है. 90% of these 56,000 plus people were able to stop all their medicines within 3 months. 3 महीने के अंदर इन 90% लोगों ने डायबिटीज की मेडिसिन को कंप्लीटली बंद कर दिया, और बाकी लोगों ने भी 3 से 6 महीने में कंप्लीटली बंद कर दिया. Their HbA1c dropped to below 6.5. And the best part, did they follow any keto diets? Did they eat any salads? Did they stop their rice? Did they stop their roti? No. इन्होंने राइस भी खाया, रोटी भी खाया, अपने मेडिसिन को भी बंद किया, कोई सैलेड्स नहीं खाए दिन रात, अपना नॉर्मल घर का बना खाना खाया, और उसके बाद भी डायबिटीज को रिवर्स किया. Why was this possible? Because they understood their body better. ये कैसे हुआ, कैसे समझा अपनी बॉडी को? 2 चीजें हैं जो आपकी बॉडी को समझने में हेल्प करती हैं. क्या है वो? नंबर 1, you need to have expert diabetologists with you who will guide you about diabetes reversal. Diabetologists आपके normal doctors नहीं है. They are not even endocrinologists. They are specialists of diabetes reversal. They know how to reverse diabetes naturally, and they have years and years of experience with diabetes reversal. तो ऐसे डॉक्टर्स हैं जो आपको गाइडेंस देते हैं पूरे 1 साल तक कि कैसे अपनी बॉडी को समझना है. नंबर 2, वी हैव सच टेक्नोलॉजी विच इज पुट ऑन योर बॉडी. हमारे पास ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी है जो आपकी बॉडी पर लगती है और आपकी बॉडी को अंदर से समझती है. It tells us what is wrong with your metabolism and how to fix it. And that is why people see such good results without any extreme measures in their life. And who has joined us in the mission of diabetes reversal? A very famous personality. He's the favorite of almost all of us. All of us know him already. He is Mr. Sachin Tendulkar, a man who needs no introduction. इनको कोई इंट्रोडक्शन की जरूरत नहीं है. हर एक इंडियन इनको पहचानता है, दिल से जानता है. इन्होंने हमें ज्वाइन किया है शुगरफिट के डायबिटीज रिवर्सल के मिशन में. ही इज आवर स्ट्रेटेजिक इन्वेस्टर एंड ऑल्सो आवर ब्रांड एम्बेसडर. यानी कि ये देश विदेश में शुगरफिट को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, शुगरफिट का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बन के. इन्होंने क्यों ज्वाइन किया शुगरफिट? बिकॉज ही सॉ द काइंड ऑफ रिजल्ट्स वी हैव. जिस तरीके से हम लोगों को मदद कर रहे हैं डायबिटीज रिवर्सल करने में, ये इनको बहुत पसंद आया. ही डिसाइडेड ही विल बिकम पार्ट ऑफ शुगरफिट and help everyone reverse diabetes in India. We also have Dr. N. Chandrababu Naidu associated with us. He is the Honorary Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. काफी लोग आंध्र प्रदेश में इनको जानते होंगे, बाहर भी जानते हैं. He is very popular. And he is a man who loves technology. इनको टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत पसंद है, इसलिए इनसे हम बार बार मिलते हैं. He loves the way we are using technology to reverse diabetes. And I told you we have almost 100 diabetologists on our platform. हमारे पास लगभग 100 diabetologists हैं देश के हर पार्ट से. From Andhra Pradesh, from Tamil Nadu, from MP, from UP, from Assam, from Orissa, from MP, from UP, even from outside India. But who are these doctors in real? They are on your screen right now. Number 1, I have Dr. Chhavi Mehra. She's a diabetologist since the last 30 years. मतलब इनको 30 सालों का अनुभव है सिर्फ डायबिटीज रिवर्स करने में. And she was living a very comfortable life in the US. US में ही इन्होंने अपनी पढ़ाई की, डॉक्टरी की. But she decided she will come back to India when she read a piece of news that almost 40 crore Indians today are living with diabetes. इन्होंने डिसाइड किया इंडिया आएंगी, 40 करोड़ लोगों के लिए कैसा प्रोग्राम बनाएंगी जो उनकी बॉडी को समझेगा और डायबिटीज रिवर्स करने में हेल्प करेगा. She partnered with doctors like Dr. Shiv Prasad, Dr. KBS, Dr. Lakshmikant, Dr. Bhargavi. These are all expert diabetologists with years and years of experience with diabetes reversal. इनको पता है बिना किसी strict restriction के कैसे बॉडी को समझकर डायबिटीज को रिवर्स करना है. और ये मेरे बेस्ट डॉक्टर्स इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि इन्होंने यूएस से पढ़ाई की है और दे स्टडीड फ्रॉम द यूएस और दे हैव मल्टीपल डिग्रीज. दीज आर माय बेस्ट डॉक्टर्स बिकॉज दे हैव रियल रिजल्ट्स. We started our first special batch in the year 2022. 2022 में काफी सारे लोगों को कोविड से डायग्नोस हुआ. उसके बाद काफी सारे लोगों को डायबिटीज भी डायग्नोस हुआ. So what we did was we started our program then. We invited 752 people to come and join us for free. 752 लोगों ने वॉलंटियर किया जिनको बहुत हाई HbA1c लेवल्स थे. They had a lot of complications, they had heart issues, they had other complications and very high HbA1c levels. These 752 people volunteered and joined us for diabetes reversal. And you won't believe, these doctors worked with them for a period of 1 year, and all 752 people were able to completely reverse their diabetes. सारे 752 लोग जिनके HbA1c लेवल्स बहुत हाई थे, बहुत सारे कॉम्प्लिकेशंस थे, सबने डायबिटीज को 100% हरा दिया. HbA1c levels below 6.5, medicines reduced to 0, insulin also reduced to 0. And all of this happened within 5.5 months. But now let's come to the point, let's cut the chase. Now let's come to the point, how are we even reversing diabetes? ये कैसे possible हो रहा है? Now is the most important part of the presentation. If you were not paying attention till now, it's completely fine. अब आप ध्यान से सुनिएगा please. So now we'll discuss the 4-step process of diabetes reversal. Step 1 of diabetes reversal, very, very important, is finding your metabolism and root cause of diabetes. इसके बारे में और जानेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है आप सभी लोगों से. बताइए, इन विच ऑर्गन ऑफ योर बॉडी डू यू थिंक डायबिटीज फर्स्ट स्टार्ट? आपको क्या लगता है कि आपकी बॉडी के कौन से ऑर्गन में सबसे पहले डायबिटीज की शुरुआत होती है? ये आप लोगों को पता होना चाहिए भाई. आपको 4, 5, 6, काफी लोगों को 10 साल से भी डायबिटीज के साथ जी रहे होंगे. आई वॉन्ट यू टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन. इवन इफ यू आर रॉन्ग, इट्स कंप्लीटली फाइन, बट आई वॉन्ट यू टू नेम दैट ऑर्गन इन द चैट सेक्शन. गो ahead, everyone should answer. Go ahead quickly, everyone. Arun sir is saying pancreas, Ashya sir is saying pancreas, Motorola sir is saying liver, Sona ma'am is saying pancreas, Arjun sir says liver. Yes, John sir, avoid high potassium foods, avoid guava, avoid oranges, avoid anything that has potassium or very high quantity of chloride or a very high quantity of salt. You should reduce your salt content to 0. Drink water which is RO water. We'll give you more suggestions on how to reduce your creatinine as well, John sir. Great. Liver, kidney, pancreas, liver, kidney, pancreas. I see a very common theme. Everyone is saying liver, kidney, pancreas. But let me tell you, diabetes does not start in your pancreas. Diabetes first starts in your metabolism, your stomach, your digestion system. The kind of food you're eating is not getting properly digested in your body. जो खाना आप खा रहे हैं बॉडी में ठीक तरह से डाइजेस्ट नहीं हो रहा है, आपके ब्लड शुगर लेवल्स को बढ़ा रहा है. तो डायबिटीज की शुरुआत कहाँ होती है? आपके स्टमक में होती है, आपकी आंतों में होती है, आपके मेटाबॉलिज्म में होती है. When your blood sugar levels go up, your pancreas releases a lot of insulin. That is where problem gets to the pancreas. पहले कहाँ शुरू हुई? Metabolism में हुई. Then pancreas releases a lot of insulin. That insulin is not getting absorbed in the body. That is the second problem. But first problem is your lifestyle, your metabolism, and your food. So how do we understand which food is good for you, which food is bad for you, which is spiking your sugar levels? For that, I told you we need technology. That's why it's very important to understand your metabolism. But the worst part about metabolism is that everyone has a different metabolism. हर किसी का metabolism अलग होता है. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया, a thing that suits you may not suit me at all. Something that does not spike your sugar levels at all can really spike my sugar levels. इसका एक प्रूफ देती हूँ आपको. Tell me in the chat section, everyone. Does your fingerprint match with anybody else's fingerprint? Tell me yes or no in the chat section. क्या आपका fingerprint किसी के भी fingerprint से match होता है? लिखिए yes या no in the chat section. It's a very basic question. I'm sure all of you know the answer to this already. Anand sir is saying no. Bhargavi ma'am is saying no. Vijay sir is saying no. Very intelligent audience. Everyone is replying actively in the chat section. Shashank sir also says no. Yes, you can record. Venkat sir. Anwar sir is saying yes. Sudhakar sir is saying no. Leena ma'am is saying no. Manmeet sir is saying no. अब क्यों नहीं होता मैच भाई? हमारे पेरेंट्स का और हमारा भी फिंगरप्रिंट मैच नहीं होता है. Why? Because we have a very different DNA. We have very different organs on the inside of our body. जिस तरीके से हमारा चेहरा अलग है, उस तरीके से हमारे internal organs भी अलग हैं. तो जो आपको सूट करता है, हो सकता है आपके भाई बहन को भी सूट ना करता हो. So how will we find out what is suiting you, what is not suiting you? We will have to use data and technology. क्या क्या टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करके आप अपने मेटाबॉलिज्म को समझ सकते हैं? नंबर वन, and the best ever technology till date to understand your body, your metabolism, your spikes, your patterns is the continuous glucose monitor device. It's a very powerful, extremely safe device. Almost 20% of America's population is using this device. अमेरिका जो कि बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट कंट्री है, बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स के साथ है, उनकी 20% पॉपुलेशन इस डिवाइस को ओपनली यूज कर रही है। क्या करता है ये सीजीएम डिवाइस, कंटिन्यूस ग्लूकोज मॉनिटर डिवाइस? जैसा नाम वैसा काम। इट कंटिन्यूसली मॉनिटर्स योर ब्लड शुगर लेवल्स एवरी सिंगल मिनट, बिना रुके बिना थके 2400 घंटे काम करता है। इट इवन वर्क्स व्हेन यू आर स्लीपिंग and measures your blood sugar levels, as I mentioned, every single minute, 60 times every hour, 1500 times in a day. And one CGM balloon can give you 21,000 data points about your body. It's a very small device, like a 5 rupee coin. It goes on your arm here. ये आप इसको स्लीव के नीचे छुपा भी सकते हैं, आपके हाथ पर यहाँ पे लग जाता है. It is completely waterproof. You can shower with it, you can swim with it, you can run with it. Extremely powerful. And see, can you measure your blood sugar level 60 times every hour with a glucometer? Glucometer से क्या आप 60 बार एक घंटे में blood sugar levels check कर सकते हैं? नहीं कर सकते हैं. That's why this device is so powerful. No pricking involved, no pain involved. Once you put it, you forget it. What does it do? Measures your blood sugar levels. Second thing, which is very important, it tells us which food is spiking your sugar levels, which food is good for you and is not spiking your sugar levels. कौन सी एक्सरसाइज आपके शुगर लेवल्स को बढ़ा रही है, कौन सी एक्सरसाइज आपके शुगर लेवल्स को घटा रही है, हाउ इज योर स्लीप पैटर्न, हाउ योर शुगर लेवल्स इंक्रीज एंड डिक्रीज ड्यूरिंग योर स्लीप. All these answers can be very easily answered by the CGM device. That's why it's so powerful. The second technology, which is also essential for diabetes reversal, which we use on your body, is called full body comprehensive checkup. I'm sure all of you have done it before, but when combined with CGM data, your full body test results can give you very important insights about your body. क्या होता है फुल बॉडी चेकअप में? वी कम टू योर हाउस, वी कलेक्ट योर ब्लड सैंपल्स, योर यूरिन सैंपल्स, एंड वी परफॉर्म 80 plus parameter testing on your body. We understand what is going on in your heart, in your kidney, in your liver. Is your liver fatty? What are the issues with your liver? Are there enzymes in some wrong manner? What is your LFT? What is your KFT? Is your creatinine high? All of these questions have to be answered to understand which organ of your body is diabetes currently affecting and how to bring it back under control. And through this, we understand your body completely. Through CGM, we have your metabolic data, your stomach data, and through full body tests, we understand your heart, your liver, your kidney, all of your organs. Now, this data is sent to you, but is that enough? No. All of us can read the data, but to comprehend the data, you need experts. That's why in step 2 of diabetes reversal at SugarFit, we assign all of you your personal care team. All of you get your personal reversal team, your own personal doctor who will read all your reports, all your CGM data. You will also get your personal nutritionist who will understand your food patterns, your lifestyle patterns, your sleep patterns. She will understand what's wrong with your lifestyle, what's wrong with your food, which is affecting your sugar levels. You also get your fitness trainer who will work out with you every morning, every evening, 15-20 minutes a day to bring your sugar levels under control, basis your CGM data. तो क्या होता है स्टेप 2 में? आपको आपकी खुद की पर्सनल रिवर्सल की टीम मिलती है, जिसमें आपके पर्सनल डॉक्टर हैं जो आपके पर्सनल डेटा को समझते हैं, आपके शुगर डेटा को समझते हैं, आपके सीजीएम डेटा को समझते हैं, आपके फुल बॉडी चेकअप को समझते हैं. उसके बेसिस पे डिसाइड करते हैं कि क्या चेंजेस करने हैं आपकी बॉडी में. यू ऑल्सो गेट योर पर्सनल न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट जो आपके खाने को समझती है, आपके लाइफस्टाइल को समझती है, आपके लिए ऐसा मील प्लान बनाती है जो आपकी बॉडी के लिए परफेक्टली सूट कर रहा है. यू ऑल्सो गेट योर फिटनेस ट्रेनर जो आपके साथ हर सुबह हर शाम व्यायाम भी करते हैं, वो व्यायाम जो आपकी बॉडी के लिए अच्छा है. And these experts, they sit together, they design your diabetes reversal plan. And believe me, अगर इनमें से एक भी contribute नहीं करेगा तो diabetes reversal important है. जितना इम्पॉसिबल है, जितना इंपॉर्टेंट आपका खाना है उतना ही इंपॉर्टेंट आपका लाइफस्टाइल है, उतना ही इंपॉर्टेंट आपका स्लीप है, उतना ही इंपॉर्टेंट आपका फिटनेस है. अगर ये चारों चीजें नहीं करेंगे तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है डायबिटीज रिवर्स करना. जब ये चार चीजें करते हैं, यू हैव टू मेक स्मॉलर चेंजेस बट दे हैव वेरी बिग इम्पैक्ट ऑन योर लाइफ. These experts, they study your life, your data, and they design your personal meal and your diabetes reversal plan, which is made on your body's data, which is capable of reversing only your diabetes. क्या क्या होता है इसमें? They give you your meal plan. क्या खाना है, कब खाना है, कितनी क्वांटिटी में खाना है, खाने के पहले क्या खाना है, खाने के बाद में क्या खाना है, सब कुछ आपको लिख कर दिया जाता है. You also get your personal fitness plan, what workout to do, when to do, what is the best time for you to work out. You know, some people blindly go for an early morning walk. That early morning walk can actually spike your sugar levels up to 30 to 40 points. Why? Because when you go for an early morning walk, your body is not prepared, your body does not have energy, your liver releases a lot of glycogen. नीज पे भी बहुत प्रेशर आता है अर्ली मॉर्निंग वॉक करने से. तो व्हाट इज प्रेफर्ड फॉर पीपल लिविंग विद डायबिटीज? वॉकिंग आफ्टर मील्स, not early morning walks. So you have to understand what's good for you. This is that your fitness trainer will work out with you every morning, every evening. This is your body's data. They will also give you a sleep plan. What is the best time for you to sleep? Why are you not able to sleep currently? क्योंकि सोएंगे नहीं तो रिकवरी नहीं होगी, रिकवरी नहीं होगी तो रिवर्सल नहीं होगा. तो they also design your sleep plan. They also give you your designed medicine reduction plan, how to gradually bring your medicines down. If you're taking 4 now to 3 to 2 to 1 to completely 0. And you have to follow these plans for just 10 to 15 minutes every day. In plans को सिर्फ 10 से 15 मिनट follow करना है, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं करना है. They are so effective because they're made on your body's data. But once you start following these plans, you'll see amazing changes in your body every single day. हर दिन आपके ब्लड शुगर लेवल्स कम होते हैं, चाहे 5 पॉइंट से होंगे, चाहे 7 पॉइंट से होंगे, चाहे 10 पॉइंट से होंगे. एवरी सिंगल डे you will see a change in your blood sugar levels. Every single day you will see a change in your energy levels. Fatigue चला जाता है, energy levels बढ़ते रहते हैं हर दिन. And medicines also gradually come down. Within 3 to 6 months, we're able to completely bring your blood sugar levels under control, which means your HbA1c levels automatically come under control. क्योंकि HbA1c कुछ नहीं होता है, आपके लास्ट 3 मंथ्स के ब्लड शुगर्स का एवरेज होता है. 3 महीने में ब्लड शुगर लेवल्स कम होंगे तो HbA1c अपने आप कम होता है. When your HbA1c levels are down, do you need medicines anymore? The answer is no. That's when you can also stop taking your medicines. And this is what we discussed is 100% diabetes reversal. This was the 4-step process of diabetes reversal. Did you understand? Yes or no? Quickly type a yes or no in the chat section. Post that. I have a very special presentation for all of you. तो जल्दी से लिखिए कि आपको समझ आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है. Write a yes or no in the chat section. Everyone should answer. नहीं आया है समझ में? Quickly type that in the chat section and let me know where you have doubt. I'll help you clear the doubt as well. Great. Yes, yes, yes. I think everyone is saying yes. Very happy to see that. Yes, I can explain that. Dr. Pratima is saying yes. Dev Vahid sir is saying yes. Hari sir is saying yes. Meenu ma'am is saying yes. I think everyone is saying yes. Great. So let's quickly move forward. अब थोड़ा सा आगे की बात करेंगे, थोड़ा डिटेल में जाएंगे. We will now discuss what is the root cause of your diabetes after your metabolism. Metabolism में problem है, उसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है आपकी body में? You are developing insulin resistance. What is that? See, whenever you eat food, जब भी normal कोई एक इंसान खाना खाता है, what happens in your body? Your blood sugar levels go up. Now, when your blood sugar levels are up, your pancreas releases a hormone called insulin. Insulin का काम क्या होता है? Insulin is supposed to enter the cells and bring your blood sugar levels down. But what happens when you develop diabetes, when your metabolism is not working fine? What happens then is, imagine this is your blood cells. This is a layer of fat that settles in front of your blood cells. Now, insulin is trying to enter the blood cells, but it is not able to enter because there's a layer of fat, a barrier, which is not allowing insulin to enter. So, अब क्या हो रहा है? There is very high levels of insulin in your blood, very high levels of blood sugar in your blood. अब blood sugar तो आप control कर लेते हो by taking medicines, but are you able to control the levels of insulin in your blood? The answer is no, and it has a lot of negative impacts on your body. All the cravings for eating sweet food, for salty food, for junk food, for bad sleep, for frequent urination, your insulin levels are responsible, which are not even managed by medicines. That's why insulin resistance is so harmful. Now, how are you currently trying to manage insulin resistance? How are you trying to currently manage diabetes? You're doing these 3 things, and believe me, all these 3 things are waste. They do nothing good for your body. They waste your money and you waste your time. Number 1, you take medicines like candy. Subah ko medicine, sham ko medicine, raat ko medicine. But tell me, do you know anybody who has reversed their diabetes with medicines? क्या आप किसी को भी जानते हैं जिसने medicines लेके अपने diabetes को reverse किया है? Just write a yes or no in the chat section. आपने newspaper में पढ़ा हो, आपके कोई relative हो, कोई friend हो जिन्होंने medicines लेके diabetes को reverse किया है. Quickly write a yes or no in the chat section. I think everyone is saying no. Joseph sir, only once you're required to do that. Then you have to probably repeat it after 6 months. That is completely fine. Or what you can do is just keep repeating your HbA1c test. That is how you will get to know if your health is improving or not. That is all that's required. No, no, no. So I think everyone is saying no, which means medicines can never reverse diabetes. Why? Because medicines have a very, very temporary impact on your body. A medicine will work for 1 day, 2 day, 3 days. After that, you have to keep taking that medicine for the rest of your life. That is how you keep your sugar levels under control. But do you know, right? All medicines have a lot of side effects. हर मेडिसिन के साइड इफेक्ट होते हैं और कुछ टाइम बाद बॉडी मेडिसिन को एडजस्ट हो जाती है एंड देन योर बॉडी विल आस्क फॉर मोर मेडिसिन देन डॉक्टर्स विल गेट यू स्टार्टेड ऑन इंसुलिन. And these medicines are very bad for your kidney, for your liver, because they're only bringing your blood sugar levels down temporarily, not helping insulin resistance. That's why we say taking medicines is a waste of money and a damage to your organs. Number two thing which we follow for diabetes reversal currently is following generic diets. Stop rice, stop roti, stop sweets, stop bread, stop anything, stop eating chocolate, stop eating potatoes, stop eating pasta, stop eating honey, and only eat दलिया, nuts खाइए, oatmeal खाइए, salads खाइए और diabetes रिवर्स हो जाएगा. सबको यही बोला जाता है, right? Doctors even tell us this. Don't eat sweet fruits. Stop everything that you love and you'll be able to reverse diabetes. But does this also work? No, it also does not work. Why? Because listen very carefully. Everybody reacts differently to the same food. हर किसी की बॉडी पर सेम खाने का अलग अलग इम्पैक्ट होता है. तो इसलिए सेम डाइट प्लान जो किसी एक पर काम कर रहा है वो किसी और पे काम नहीं करेगा. आई एम गिविंग यू अ लाइव एग्जांपल ऑफ दैट ऑन माय स्क्रीन राइट नाउ. सी, Harshit and Sharbi, both of them, when they came to us, both of them had very high sugar levels. Their doctors had told them that to bring your blood sugar levels under control, stop eating roti. Roti chawal band kar do, aap daliya khaiye roz. But see, when Harshit came to us, we put a CGM on his arm and we understood that whenever Harshit eats daliya, it causes a very big spike in his blood sugar levels. Can you see unka CGM graph hai aapki screen par? जब भी हर्षित दलिया खाते हैं उनके ब्लड शुगर लेवल्स में बहुत तेजी से स्पाइक आ रहा है. देखिए कैसे येलो जा रहा है ग्राफ. इसका मतलब दलिया इज नॉट सूटिंग हर्षित. CGM gave for Harshit Dalia a score of 5 out of 10, which means very, very bad for his body. Now, same Dalia, when consumed by Sharbi Naidu, his wife, living in the same house, she also is living with diabetes. But see, whenever Sharbi eats Dalia, it suits her body and does not increase her blood sugar levels much. देखिए ग्राफ एकदम ग्रीन है, फ्लैट ही रह रहा है. इसका मतलब दलिया शर्बी को सूट कर रहा है. Now people say white rice is very bad for diabetes. If you keep eating white rice, you will never be able to reverse your diabetes. बोलते हैं ना कि चावल तो मत खाना अगर आपको डायबिटीज है. लेकिन देखिए जब भी हर्षित white rice खाते हैं, do his blood sugar levels go up? No, his blood sugar levels do not increase after eating rice, which means rice is actually suiting हर्षित. देखिए ग्राफ कैसा ग्रीन है और उसके बाद नीचे फ्लैट जा रहा है, which means rice is good for him. CGM has given rice a score of 8 out of 10 for Harshit. The same white rice, when consumed by Sharbi Naidu, see what happens is a very big spike in blood sugar levels whenever Sharbi is eating white rice, which means white rice is not suiting Sharbi. But did she stop eating white rice? No, she loves eating white rice. उनको white rice बहुत पसंद है. उन्होंने अपने न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट को बोला कि मैं तो white rice खाऊंगी, मैं उसके ऊपर कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकती हूँ. Please tell me a solution for this. The nutritionist did some experiments on our body with the help of this device called the CGM device. उन्होंने experiments किए और पता चला कि जब भी शर्बी अपने राइस को खाने से पहले कैरेट, क्यूकम्बर, रायता खा लेती हैं, तो राइस खाने के बाद भी उनके ब्लड शुगर लेवल्स नहीं बढ़ते हैं. What did she do? Did she stop eating rice? No. She figured out through an experiment with a nutritionist that if she eats carrot, cucumber, raita before eating white rice, her blood sugar levels do not increase even after eating white rice. That's why we say diabetes is not about eating less. It's about eating what's right for your body, eating in the right combination for your body. Now tell me, what will you prefer? Stopping your favorite foods or finding out the right combinations for your body? क्या prefer करेंगे? अपना favorite खाना खाना बंद करना पसंद करेंगे या अपनी body के सही combinations के बारे में पता करेंगे ताकि आप अपना favorite खाना भी enjoy करें और साथ में diabetes भी reverse हो. Right, stop or combine the chart section. Stop, combine. I want everybody to answer. Go ahead. एवरीवन. और नहीं समझ में आया, आई शो यू लाइव डेमो ऑफ इट इज वेल. अगर किसी को नहीं समझ में आया कि कैसे आप एक्सपेरिमेंट करके अपनी बॉडी के बारे में समझ सकते हैं, उसका हम एक लाइव डेमो भी देखेंगे कि सीजीएम कैसे काम करता है, कैसे एक्सपेरिमेंट्स काम करते हैं, कैसे आप अपनी बॉडी को बेहतर समझ सकते हैं. I think everyone is saying fiber. Don't worry, sir. We have doctors who speak Telugu. We have doctors who speak Tamil. Your doctor, your nutritionist will talk to you in your language. I personally only know Hindi and English right now. So I want to show you the SugarFit app now. It's a very powerful app. It has all my data. इसमें मेरा सारा data है. It has my health data, my sugar data, my doctor is here, my nutritionist is here, my steps are here. मैं कितने steps लेती हूँ automatically इसमें count हो जाता है. I can work out here live with my personal trainers, with my my strength trainer, my yoga trainer. मैं उनके साथ live workout कर सकती हूँ, live meditation कर सकती हूँ, अपने डॉक्टर के साथ अभी consult book कर सकती हूँ. कल सुबह के लिए भी मैं ब्लड टेस्ट बुक कर सकती हूँ. दिस ऐप इज extremely powerful. I can talk to world's best doctors on this app itself. And the best part is this app has all my CGM data because CGM has Bluetooth. CGM में क्या होता है? Bluetooth होता है जो आपके फोन से ऑटोमेटिकली शुगरफिट ऐप के थ्रू कनेक्ट हो जाता है एंड इट कीप्स सेंडिंग डेटा टू योर फोन एवरी सिंगल मिनट अबाउट योर ब्लड शुगर लेवल्स. कुछ नहीं करना है, कोई पेन नहीं है, कोई प्रिकिंग नहीं है. CGM कनेक्ट हो जाता है ब्लूटूथ से आपके फोन पे, एवरी सिंगल मिनट डेटा भेजता रहता है अबाउट योर ब्लड शुगर लेवल्स लाइव. See, this is my CGM data. I get to know my average glucose levels every single day, my metabolic score trends, which means if the kind of food I'm eating is suiting me or not, I can understand through this graph. I also get how many hypers I'm getting, how many hypos I'm getting. जब भी ब्लड शुगर लेवल्स 140 के ऊपर जाते हैं उसको हाइपर बोलते हैं, और जब भी हाइपर होता है तो मेरे फोन में नोटिफिकेशन आता है that my blood sugar levels are going up, so I get notifications on my phone about it. If I'm having a hypo, if my blood sugar levels are going below 70, that is when also I get a notification on my phone. And the best part is you also get your sleep quality. How is your blood sugar levels changing in your sleep? That data is also provided to you on the SugarFit app with the help of the CGM. और सबसे बढ़िया बात क्या होता है? CGM गेमिफाइज द एंटायर डायबिटीज रिवर्सल एक्सपीरियंस. डायबिटीज रिवर्सल को बहुत इजी कर देता है CGM, क्योंकि आपके हर खाने को स्कोर देता है. तो आपको पता चल जाता है कि किस खाने में आपको इंप्रूवमेंट करना है, किस खाने में कॉम्बिनेशंस बढ़ानी है, एंड विच फूड इज गुड एज इट इज. यू डोंट नीड टू मेक एनी चेंजेस. यू कैन सी I used to have milk coffee with sugar every day for breakfast. Why? Because I love milk coffee. मुझे बहुत पसंद था milk coffee. I used to have it every day for breakfast. But it was actually spiking my blood sugar levels in my CGM. So my coach told me you don't have to stop drinking milk coffee. You just have to combine it with something else. We did some experiments and we found out that if I eat a handful of almonds before having my milk coffee with sugar, my blood sugar levels do not increase even after having my coffee. See a proof of that. Milk coffee and 30 almonds. Meal score is 10 out of 10, which means this meal became perfect for me with the right kind of combination. And see, most days I eat rice, dosa without guilt. Why? Because rice does not spike my blood sugar levels at all. राइस मेरे ब्लड शुगर लेवल्स को नहीं स्पाइक करता, राइस मुझे सूट करता है, मैं रोज उसको बिना किसी प्रॉब्लम के खाती हूँ. बट सी व्हीट रोटी या चपाती जो है वो मेरे ब्लड शुगर लेवल्स को स्पाइक करता है. सो व्हाट डू आई डू? I just combine it with cucumber or guava because I love guava. So what do? I eat guava before eating my wheat roti and chapati. It does not spike my sugar levels even after eating my wheat roti. So very easy to follow, but very good for your body. And you can see, this is my live blood sugar data in front of you. Every single minute, real time update of my blood sugar levels. 1:21 a.m. in the night, 97 mgdl. 10:51 p.m. 87. See here, there's a spike 112 at 10:06. Probably I had dinner here. और कैसे बताना है CGM को क्या खाया? I just have to click a photo of that food. Within 1 minute, with the help of AI, SugarFit app will identify what are you eating, what is the quantity of that. सब कुछ पिक्चर से ही आइडेंटिफाई हो जाता है. आपको कुछ मैनुअली CGM को नहीं बताना है. You can see here I had a meal which does not spike my blood sugar levels as much. What did I eat? Let's see. I think I had biryani with cucumber raita. मेरे sugar levels नहीं बढ़े, which means rice is actually suiting my body. Meal score is 9 out of 10. Now something very shocking for you. See here, my blood sugar levels increased to a very high level. It was at 89 before meal. After dinner, it went up to 149. What did I eat? See very carefully. I had ragi roti or ragi balls with dal or sambar. Now people say ragi is very healthy, jowar is very healthy, you should stop eating wheat and eat ragi. But ragi does not suit me at all. जब भी मैं रागी खाती हूँ मेरे ब्लड शुगर लेवल्स बढ़ जाते हैं. इसलिए बोला था मैंने, समझिए आपकी बॉडी के लिए क्या सही है. ब्लाइंड एडवाइस यूट्यूब पे मिलती है, इंस्टाग्राम पे मिलती है, may not apply on your body. प्रतीक अग्रवाल सर, it has AI which is artificial intelligence. आपको जस्ट खाने का एक फोटो खींचना है, and within 1 minute, it will identify what are you eating exactly. That's how easy it is. So you don't have to actually log your meals. Now, let's quickly show you something else as well. मैं आपको कुछ और भी दिखाना चाहती हूँ. Group of 300 people who are currently reversing diabetes. What are they eating? See, they're eating basic meal of roti, sabzi and rice. सब लोग अपना बेसिक फेवरेट खाना खा रहे हैं और उसके बाद भी डायबिटीज को रिवर्स कर रहे हैं. They don't have to eat anything extravagant. किसी को कोई सैलेड्स नहीं खाने हैं, कुछ एक्स्ट्रावेगेंट भी नहीं खाना है और उसके बाद भी डायबिटीज बहुत ही इजीली रिवर्स हो पा रहा है. लेट्स सी व्हाट पीपल आर एक्चुअली ईटिंग. लेट्स सी सम प्रॉपर मील्स. See, they are eating rice, they are eating roti, but in combination. यहाँ देखिए राइस भी है, सब्जी भी है, but उसके साथ क्या है? कैरेट है. इसका मतलब क्या है कि कैरेट उनके लिए राइट कॉम्बिनेशन कर रहा है बॉडी में. कैरेट खाने के बाद अगर वो राइस खा रही है तो उनके ब्लड शुगर लेवल्स नहीं बढ़ रहे हैं. आई हैव सम इंटरनेट इशू, बट लेट मी ट्राई इट वंस अगेन टू शो यू सम फोटोज. Yes, let's see what other people are eating. Basic home cooked meals of dal, rice and roti, and still reversing the diabetes. Again, if you're a South Indian, your meal plan will be South Indian. If you're a North Indian, your meal plan will be North Indian. If you are a vegetarian, your diet plan will be vegetarian. If you're a non-vegetarian, your diet plan will be non-vegetarian. It is basis your body, your likes, your dislikes, and your culture as well. And there's no restriction, but you have to find out the right combinations for your body. And now let's quickly understand what are the results of people who are following this advice, who are understanding spikes, who are understanding their body. What are their results? See on my screen, Mr. Praveen, when he came to us, HbA1c levels were 12.8%. अभी कितना है? 5.4%. He got to know he's living with diabetes after he went for a government job checkup. गवर्नमेंट जॉब के पहले चेकअप होता है, वहां पता चला डायबिटीज है. Within 3 months, he brought it down to 5.4%, came down from 4 medicines to 0 medicines. That's how powerful his journey was. Mr. Kumar Siran, when he came to us, he was suffering from complete hair loss, lack of energy. कोई energy feel नहीं होती थी, कोई focus feel नहीं होता था. HbA1c levels were 12%. अभी कितना है? 5.8%. Medications reduced from 4 medicines to 0 medicines. Fasting down from 312 to 101. And my personal favorite is a very inspiring journey of Mr. Shivnigam, who joined us at 84 years of age. 84 साल की उम्र में हमारे पास आए डायबिटीज रिवर्सल के लिए. पिछले 20 सालों से इनको डायबिटीज था. पिछले 15 सालों से नॉन स्टॉप ही was taking insulin, and the dose was increasing every single day. He joined us in the first batch, and within 7 months, he was able to bring his blood sugar levels down from 12.8 HbA1c to 6.2. 7 medicine stopped. डायबिटीज का मेडिसिन, कोलेस्ट्रॉल का मेडिसिन, इनका ब्लड प्रेशर का भी मेडिसिन था एंड न्यूरोपैथी का भी मेडिसिन थे. 7 मेडिसिन स्टॉप हुए. इंसुलिन कंप्लीटली स्टॉप्ड विद इन फर्स्ट 15 डेज, क्योंकि बॉडी को एक्सटर्नल इंसुलिन नहीं चाहिए होता है. यू जस्ट नीड टू एब्जॉर्ब द इंसुलिन दैट योर बॉडी इज मेकिंग बेटर. वो बेटर करेंगे. यू डोंट नीड मेडिसिन, यू डोंट नीड इंसुलिन. We have partnered with very big companies, Tata 1mg, Ketan Health Insurance, CureFit. All their employees are also currently reversing diabetes with us. And today I'll be enrolling 20 people who will become part of the same special batch where people see 100% diabetes reversal. वही स्पेशल बैच जहाँ लोगों को बहुत ही अच्छे रिजल्ट्स मिलते हैं, उसी स्पेशल बैच में आज हम 20 लोगों को लेने वाले हैं. They will join us for a period of 1 year. They will work with our doctors, with our best nutritionists, best doctors, best trainers, and get a best technology and reverse diabetes for sure. तो आज हम 20 लोगों को सिलेक्ट करेंगे जो हमारे बेस्ट डॉक्टर्स, बेस्ट न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट, बेस्ट फिटनेस ट्रेनर्स के साथ 1 साल के लिए काम करेंगे और डायबिटीज को हमेशा के लिए बाय बाय करेंगे. Because you will understand about your body better, and that's how you will reverse your diabetes forever. What all will you get in the special batch? Special batch में क्या क्या included होता है जो आपको diabetes reverse करने के लिए enable करता है? You get all of this which is on my screen right now. Number 1, a Bluetooth enabled CGM device delivered to your location. आप इंडिया में कहीं पे भी हैं, आपके घर पे CGM device deliver होता है. If possible, we even send somebody to your house to install the device. And it connects with your phone through Bluetooth. तो कोई बढ़िया phone नहीं चाहिए, any phone will work. You also get consults with our best doctors. They will consult with you whenever required, quarterly basis to check your progress, and they will tell you how to reduce your medicines to 0. You will also get unlimited consultations with your personal nutritionist. Yes, आपकी खुद की personal nutritionist होंगी जो आपको हर alternate day call करके आपके health का update लेंगी. उनके साथ आप unlimited बार video, audio, chat पे बात कर सकते हैं. This is your requirement, this is your sugar levels. You will also get full body health checkup done at your home. आपके घर पे ही आपका full body health checkup होगा. And we'll also repeat the test to check your blood sugar levels and your progress over a period of time. आपको पर्सनलाइज फिटनेस क्लासेस भी प्रोवाइड होंगी एवरी मॉर्निंग एवरी इवनिंग. यू विल हैव अ ट्रेनर हु विल वर्क आउट विथ यू एवरी मॉर्निंग एवरी इवनिंग. दिस इज योर अवेलेबिलिटी 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m. Doesn't matter, whenever you are available, you will have a trainer working out with you available. You will also get access to SugarFit mobile app where you will track your health, track your data and learn about your body better. ये data stored रहेगा, privately रहेगा. इसको आप lifetime track कर सकते हैं, lifetime use कर सकते हैं ताकि diabetes never comes back in your life. And remember, you will reverse diabetes in 3 to 6 months, but it is a 1-year plan so that we can handhold you for the rest of the year so that diabetes never comes back in your life. We also have a regular batch, but in the special batch, we give you top 5 doctors, top 5 coaches. I'll tell you the reason for that. But हम special batch में limited लोगों को लेते हैं. They get our best resources and they achieve some of our best results. And today we're enrolling 20 people in this same special batch, which includes CGM, doctors, nutritionists, trainers, fitness classes, your full body health checkup, your SugarFit app, everything included for 1 year at a very special price. But remember, I'm only enrolling 20 people today. The reason is that my doctors and nutritionists only have 20 slots available. मेरे डॉक्टर न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट के पास 20 स्लॉट है, इसलिए आज मैं 20 लोगों को एनरोल करने वाली हूँ एट अ वेरी स्पेशल प्राइस. व्हाई इज द प्राइस लो फॉर स्पेशल बैच? बिकॉज आपके जो रिजल्ट्स होते हैं वो हम देश विदेश के कॉन्फ्रेंसेस में पब्लिश करते हैं जहां हमें इन्वाइट किया जाता है. We get invited to Belgium, to Spain, to the international conferences. There we take your results and present it. That's why we give out special batch for limited people at a very good price. And your names are not published, but your results, your journey is published in some of the best studies in the world. And today we're giving out a special batch for 20 people at a very good price. Generally, a special batch can cost up to rupees 54,990, but for 20 people today, we're giving out the special batch at just rupees 17,990 for full 1 year.
This is the difference between a healthy pancreas and a pancreas affected by type 2 diabetes. Imagine your body as a big city. Now to run the city, you require fuel, which is your glucose, your sugar. In order to transport this fuel to your cell, you require a very special kind of truck called insulin. This insulin is produced in the factory called pancreas. Now there are two problems when you're type 2 diabetic. Number one, you are insulin resistant. That means these trucks have to go inside your cells, but your cells are not receptive to these trucks, to this insulin. And that is where your blood sugar level increases on the street. The second problem is pancreatic overburden. Your pancreas keep creating more and more of these trucks so that they can transport the glucose to your cell. But since your cells are not receptive, more and more insulin is generated. Over time, your pancreas will lose its ability to produce insulin. When you're type 2 diabetic, over time, it can impact many of your major organs. Your heart, your kidneys, your eyes, your nerves, your legs. If you want to know more about how we help people reverse their type 2 diabetes,